Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best piano keyboard is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding musical instruments you can learn to play, offering a wide range of sounds and styles to explore. From the rich tones of a grand piano to the versatility of synthesizers, choosing the right instrument can be a journey of discovery, opening doors to countless musical possibilities and unlocking your creative potential. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, finding the perfect piano or keyboard is a significant step in your musical adventure. Number 5. Alesis Melody 61 MKII. Get ready to experience the joy of music. It's everything you need to start your musical journey, all in one box. With its 61 full-size keys, it feels just like a real piano. It's perfect for beginners learning to play. Explore a world of sounds. It boasts 300 voices, from pianos and strings to synths and drums. Let your creativity flow. Practice makes perfect. Use the built-in rhythms and recording feature to track your progress and have fun. Unlock your musical potential with a 3-month SCUF premium subscription. It offers interactive online piano lessons to guide you. Everything is included. You get a stand, bench, headphones, microphone, sheet music stand, and even a power adapter. Just unpack and play. It's the ideal all-in-one digital piano for aspiring musicians. Start your musical adventure today. What we like? It includes everything a beginner needs to start playing, from keyboard and bench to headphones and even online lessons. If you're looking for a complete package to jumpstart your musical journey, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and comprehensive learning experience without the hassle of buying separate items. What people say? Good deal on this since it comes with a stand and seat. We don't use the microphone really, but it's cool they include one. Great keyboard for our kids to practice with. 300 sounds and rhythms mean you'll never get bored. From pianos to strings to, yes, helicopter noises, it's got it all. The included stand, stool, headphones, and microphone make this an all-in-one package, perfect for beginners or hobbyists. Number 4. RockJam RJ361 Keyboard. It's the perfect keyboard for musicians of all levels. With 61 keys, 200 sounds, and rhythms, it's ready to help you make music. It has sustain and vibrato functions, plus recording and playback capabilities. You can explore all your musical ideas. It's ideal for kids and beginners. Note stickers help visualize notes and improve muscle memory, making learning fun and easy. Practice quietly with headphones or take it on the go. Its compact design makes it perfect for home or travel. It comes with exclusive Simply Piano app content. Start your musical journey today. It includes a sheet music stand and power supply. Everything you need to start playing is included right in the box. What we like? Its small size makes it perfect for any space, and the note stickers are a great help for visual learners. If you value portability and interactive learning, this keyboard is an excellent choice. It's ideal for kids or anyone who wants a fun and engaging way to learn. What people say? The RockJam Compact 61-key keyboard has a compact and lightweight design, making it super easy to move around and store when not in use. One of the things I really appreciated is the inclusion of piano note stickers. As a beginner, having the notes labeled on the keys was super helpful for learning scales, chords, and melodies. The keyboard comes with a power supply, so there's no need to worry about constantly buying batteries. However, if you prefer to use it on the go, it also has the option to run on batteries, which adds to its portability. Number 3. Best Choice 61-key Keyboard. Get ready to unleash your inner musician. This complete set has everything you need to start your musical journey, from the keyboard itself to all the accessories. With 61 full-sized keys, it feels just like a real piano. It's the perfect size for comfortable playing and learning. It comes with everything you need to start playing right away, a stand, bench, headphones, and more. It's the ultimate gift for aspiring musicians. 3 different teaching modes make learning fun and simple. The lighted keys and note stickers will guide you every step of the way. Enjoy rich, clear sound through the built-in speakers or your headphones. You can even play along to your favorite songs via USB. Connect a USB drive and play along to your favorite songs. Let your creativity flow as you add your own melodies and rhythms. It boasts 255 timbres, 255 rhythms, 50 demo songs, and 32 percussion sounds. The dimensions are 36.4 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 3.7 inches high. What we like? The lighted keys and multiple teaching modes make learning fun and easy, and the complete set ensures you have everything you need to get started. If you are a beginner who wants a fun and supportive learning experience, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive and engaging learning experience. What people say. The keys light up when you're playing it or you have the keyboard playing one of its many included songs. Lots of sound options, even includes an extra octave button that will lower or raise the key you're playing in. The included headphones are really good and super useful so that the entire house of people don't have to listen when someone wants to play it. It was very easy to put together. Only took about 5 minutes to screw the stand together, and everything else including the bench was pre-assembled. It's a texting keyboard, and the keys are sensitive to touch but not sensitive enough that they go off all the time. It's fun to play and a great value for everything you get, including the seat. Number 2. Rock Band 3 Wireless Keyboard. Introducing the all-new Rock Band 3 Wireless Keyboard for Xbox 360. It's the ultimate way to experience the game, adding a whole new level of musical expression. It plays keyboard, guitar, and bass parts, giving you incredible versatility. You can play real keyboard parts in the new Rock Band Pro mode. With its 2-octave design and 25 velocity-sensitive keys, it provides a realistic playing experience. It's designed to feel as natural as possible. Play it like a guitar, or set it on a table. It adapts to your preferred playing style. And when you're not rocking out, use it as a MIDI keyboard controller. It's compatible with most MIDI sequencers. Enjoy wireless freedom with the included keyboard strap and batteries. It's ready to play right out of the box. What we like? It's the only wireless keyboard on the list, perfect for playing Rock Band 3. If you're a gamer who wants to add a keyboard to their Rock Band experience, this is the only choice. It also functions as a MIDI controller for other music software. What people say. It feels more like a real instrument than any other Rock Band controller made. The keys are full-sized, although the board is not a full-sized keyboard. The keys themselves aren't weighted, but have a solid feel and don't spring back like a child's toy. The keys are nice to play and color labeled well. On the game the notes on Pro are fairly clear to read, the track is lit by the colors according to where you should be playing. Basically it feels like any other MIDI controller out there. The buttons don't click but they provide enough feedback and don't feel cheap. The keys have markers so you know where each section is, regular and Pro mode. Wireless is awesome. Number 1. RockJam 5061 Keyboard Super Kit. Get ready to unleash your inner musician. This kit has everything you need to start playing, right out of the box. It features 61 full-size keys, providing a traditional piano feel. Enjoy the authentic playing experience. Play it anywhere. It can be powered by mains or batteries, giving you flexibility. With 200 rhythms, 200 tones, a teaching function, and 30 demo songs, it's packed with features to help you learn and grow. Record your masterpieces and play them back. Build layers to your sound and play along to your favorite songs with the AUX input. The sturdy, adjustable stand and comfortable padded bench ensure hours of comfortable playing. Suitable for players of all ages. Everything you need is included: keyboard, stand, bench, headphones, and even the Simply Piano app and Keynote stickers. Let's make some music. What we like? It offers the feel of a traditional piano with full-size keys and comes with everything you need to start playing. If you are looking for a traditional piano feel in a portable and compact design, this is a great option. The record and playback function lets you layer sounds and build your musical skills. What people say. The sound quality is really good for the price, and it has a nice range of features and tones to play around with. The keys feel good to play on, and it's been great for practicing. I also love that it's not too bulky, easy to move and doesn't take up a ton of space. So many cool features for a $100 keyboard. The best gift ever, and very easy to put together. It took me less than 20 minutes to assemble. Self-explanatory to use, even for my kids. Microphone and headphones attach easily too. The keyboard has a compact design but with surprising sound quality, and the sustain pedal adds an additional dimension to the playing experience. The Simply Piano application is a great help to learn quickly and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.